All right, I'm Bob Rutledge, and I just had to throw this video out there real quick because if you're a small business person, especially like a HVAC contractor, remodeling contractor, roofer, you're always looking for new ways to advertise. Uh, you kind of grew up watching TV. You kind of yellow page ads, pay per click now, but the big hot topic today is streaming services. Everybody's starting to switch over to streaming services. And really the purpose of this video is to just kind of acclimate you to hearing some new terms, streaming services, over the top advertising, OTT. The article that's in front of me here, and I'm going to just close my picture, it serves no purpose, is put out by Think with Google. And it talks about the billions of dollars being poured into content and promotion. And in the past year, 20% of streaming services have grown 20%, and they now reach 68% of all households that have Wi-Fi. So, for instance, I use YouTube TV, which is much like maybe your Comcast. And I stream live things, but on demand. But what Google is pointing out with this article, if I scroll on down, is number one, they own 40% of the market already because people are watching ad-supported products, streaming products, and they're watching it on YouTube. This light can be just thrown out because it's 100% of this viewing time is on YouTube. I've caught myself doing it the past 48 hours myself. In fact, there have been days that I don't even watch regular TV anymore. I watch nothing but YouTube. And then here's another one. I've been looking for a lawnmower. I need one that's self-propelled. Well, guess what the hot deal is now is electric lawnmowers. But I'm just not ready to make that jump. I'm convinced myself I'm not. Problem is, Home Depot and Lowe's don't have any gas lawnmowers to speak of during this epidemic. And then the people that I buy from at Steel, one of the local Steel stores, they don't even make a gas-powered lawnmower anymore. So they're completely out of thing. But the bottom line is, I've been watching YouTube videos that will have a great deal of impact on what brand of lawnmower I buy. Now, my word to you is, since 70% of YouTube viewers say that they're going to make a purchase based on what they seeing on YouTube TV, on YouTube, not YouTube TV, I apologize. Shouldn't you be developing your channel? And if you're not, this is something you've got to start pushing to the front of your mind about how you're going to market your heating and air, plumbing and electrical contracting company, your remodeling company, your flooring company in the future. Hope this helps. Thanks.